Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to download TikTok video without Watermark. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. So first of all, open your TikTok app, then locate the video that you want to download. So this is the video that I'll be using for these tutorials. So if you find the video that you are looking for, then you click on the share button down here. So this time around we are not going to download it. If you download it, that means it's going to come along with a watermark. So you are just going to copy the link. So you are going to copy the link over here. Click on copy link. So when the link is copied, then you go back. Then open your web browser. Then you search for tiktokio.com. This is their official website. Then you search it. So it's going to open up. When open, you click inside a box. So you can decide to just click on the paste over here to paste it, or you can just press and hold to paste it. When paste, then you click on download. So it's going to process the video. So you can see the video have been processed. This was the video that I was watching. So you can see right here, it says download without watermark, download without watermark HD, download with watermark, then download MP3. So anyhow you want it, you can download it here. So I'm downloading it without watermark. So I'm going for the first one, download without watermark. So you can see right here, it says choose where to download it. Just click on download. You can see up here, file downloaded. You are good to go. So the video have been downloaded in your gallery without any watermark. Let me play it for you to see. So guys, you can see there's no watermark on the video. When you download it from TikTok directly, you see that there will be a watermark on the video, and even at the end of the video you are going to see the watermark. But with this method, you are not going to see any watermark on the video. So guys, you can see that there is no watermark on the video, and even at the end of the video you are not going to see any watermark. You are not going to see the TikTok watermark on the video. You are not going to see it at the end too. So with this method you are good to go. So guys, that's how to go about it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video.